Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Ignath Rao Kadse Talent English Medium School, Muktanagar. So, the students, I hope uh, the previous classes, whatever may be, you better understand. And today also we're going to discuss the worksheet one of the lesson circle, right? So depending upon the relations, you have started the worksheet. So without late, we'll start the worksheet. The first question is rearrange the letter to get meaningful words. So it has given for you different, I mean, in a jumble way, right? What do you say in ulta palta, isn't it? So first O, U, R, and D. So suppose this type of word, if it will come, you have to rearrange the word in your mind. You have to imagine it. If you do such a way, what will happen? If you do in this way, what will happen? So one by one, two to four, five times. You have to imagine and you have to arrange the letter in your mind. So automatically the answer will come to you. That is 100% true. The same way I wrote the answer, right? Really. The same way you also can do it properly. So what the answer came? Round. Second answer, down. Third answer, NOOM, MWN, moon. ICRCLE, that answer is circle. Next one is window and next one is snail. So it is very easy to identify this if you try it. The next is match the pictures in column A to the name in the pictures column B. So one side is the name given and the side is figure given. So we have to identify the figures and its name. Then only you can match it properly. Anyway, it is very easy. Triangle, picture, triangle, apple, apple place, circle, circle place, balloon, balloon place, and square, square place. So in this way you have to rectangle, rectangle place. So in this way you have to match the following. Next is write the rhyming words for each one below. Round, you can do found, ground, sound. If you have any other rhyming words, that also you can write. There is no problem. Any answer, but any answer may be applicable when the sound will come correctly. Next one is ball, ball, tall, wall, fall, etc. Next, fire, air, chair, hair, like that. The sky, try, dry, fry, like this. Book, boot, shook, look, like this. Say, fair, care, dare, lie, high, sigh, buy, cool, dull, tool, wool. Next, bat, mat, fat, cat. In this way, you have to write the rhyming words of the word. And I have already told you that if you have any other answer, that is also applicable, but the sound should be same. Next, we are going to discuss write the plural form of the following: circle, circles, moon, moons, balloon, balloon, the same. Horse, horses, lion, lions, peach, peaches. Here, why it is come es? Why? Because the last letter of the word is ch. I have told you ch, ss, o, or x. If this type of letter will come, the last part of the word, so what will come? Es. The things you have to keep in your mind. Next, student, students, square, squares, apple, apples. So the students, this worksheet already completed. So I hope you better understand. So whenever you have any doubt, so definitely you can ask to me. And next we'll meet the next session for next worksheet. So till then, keep watching and keep smile.